What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys had an amazing weekend. It is now time to get back into business because we need to talk about AMC stock and something very interesting that might happen on August 5th. I don't like putting dates on things, but when you look at the history of the charts and things that have happened on AMC, this might be the third time that we see a move above 50 on AMC. First and foremost, if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you slap a like on the video. I greatly appreciate that. Without further ado, let's dive right in. AMC has the annual shareholder meeting on Thursday, July 29, which will be scheduled, by the way. But however, my focus is going to be the earnings, which it falls on August 5th. And just look at the history and we pull back the earnings, whether it's an EPS beat or miss, or vice versa, a revenue beat or miss. The last couple times, we've obviously had a mix of both, but that doesn't even matter because when you take a look at the AMC stock history, AMC tends to move like most of the stocks do. Tesla, by the way, has earnings today. I expect the dump on Tesla, by the way, into the after hours of earnings. Usually there is buy the rumor, sell the news. But for AMC, I think it is a different story because when you take a look at the earnings, there seems to be some momentum headed into the earnings that sustains. March and May were the last earnings, and what did we see here? A move from $9 to, of course, the $15 mark, in which we pulled back for like another month or so before May hits. And we were right around $8 again. And that, of course, is history because you know what happened. We hit 72. Was earnings that catalyst that sent AMC upward, causing that first small squeeze? Possibly. It happened twice. Even here, if you want to go back all the way till November of last year, there was a slight move here, 191 to like $4. That is 3 times in a row. Is this the 4th time? Or if you disregard last year, can this be the 3rd time we see a move on AMC that is caused by that earnings catalyst? Again, I don't want to put dates on things, but I'm just looking at the history and pointing the obvious things. The way I approach earnings is buy the rumor, sell the news, in which I think why Tesla might come down after hours, or even GameStop. When we had earnings, it fell. It doesn't make sense. Whether it's a beat or revenue on or on EPS, they tend to move on the way down. But if you just look at AMC, it's literally done the opposite, which I think is quite interesting when you take a look at just the technicals and what we've been seeing today. Up 8%, holding $40 pretty well. It's not falling like 2 weeks ago. If you also take a look at the data, we're only down 1% on the SI. I'll refresh this really quick. I don't think it'll change. Actually, did 0.104, which I don't think is too bad. I think it's still pretty high of an SI. Disregarding all the fake shares out there, all the manipulation going on with dark pools and OTC, if you don't take account for that, if you just look at the technicals and what we see on Ortex, and what we have in front of us here, guys, which came out today, AMC stock is probably the number one, or according to this, the number one stock held for the second quarter between millennials and Gen Z. Number one above Tesla, Apple, Amazon, some of these big boy stocks, high market cap, blue chip stocks. AMC is number one. If this sustains itself, then AMC isn't going anywhere. It's already going to be August. I've been in this and I've been looking at AMC since December. It's going to be a year of just talking about AMC, and it probably could go on even for next year. We don't know, but as long as it's number one, as long as the volume, attention is there, the catalysts are there, and people aren't going anywhere really, then the stock is going to be in play for a long time, believe it or not. And along with GameStop, these stocks all move together. I know sometimes I forget to mention GameStop, but really when I mean I'm talking about AMC technicals, I'm really just saying the same thing for GameStop because they go hand in hand today. On Wednesday, we have the Federal Reserve. Expect some volatility in the markets, in which we have been seeing some pretty solid roars. I know the Nasdaq hit a new high today as well, but that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, I know that's a quick and short video. I just wanted to point out some of the things on the technicals that I saw today. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you slap a like. Once again, comment below your thoughts, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Thank you.